Ladies and gentlemen, we are not living in the future anymore. We are living in the AI era. The biggest gap in the world today is no longer between rich and poor. It's between people who know how to use AI and people who don't. AI is not here to replace humans. AI is here to replace humans who don't know how to use AI. So the real question is not, will AI take jobs? The real question is, will you become an AI master? Today, I will show you how. Fire step 1. Stop using AI for fun. Start using it for power. Most people use AI to ask silly questions, make jokes, or generate random images. Masters use AI to think faster, learn faster, work faster, earn faster. AI is not a toy. It's a super brain assistant. Instead of asking, crossmark, write a poem about cats. Ask, white heavy checkmark, teach me a high-income skill step by step. White heavy checkmark, help me start a business with zero investment. White heavy checkmark, improve my productivity system. Your questions decide your future. Average people use AI for entertainment. Masters use AI for transformation. High voltage science step 2. Learn the skill of prompting. AI gives answers based on your instructions. Bad prompt is equal to bad result. Powerful prompt is equal to expert level result. Don't say, crossmark, tell me about marketing. Say, white heavy checkmark, act like a 10-year experienced digital marketing expert. Give me a beginner to advanced roadmap to start freelancing in 30 days. See the difference? Masters. Give clear roles. Give context. Ask for step-by-step plans. Ask for examples. Ask AI to improve its own answer. AI is like a genie, but only smart people know how to make the wish correctly. Step 3. Use AI to think, not just to write. Most people use AI like a typing machine. Masters use AI like a thinking partner. You can say, give me 10 business ideas based on my skills. What mistakes do beginners make in this field? Challenge my idea and find weaknesses. Give me a better strategy than this. Now AI becomes your business advisor, career coach, skill mentor, idea generator. This is where power begins. Rocket step 4. Combine AI with action. AI gives knowledge. Action creates success. Masters do this cycle daily. Why tried pointing back hand index ask AI. Why tried pointing back hand index learn. Why tried pointing back hand index apply. Why tried pointing back hand index improve. Why tried pointing back hand index ask again. This loop makes you grow 10x faster than normal people. AI is a speed booster, not a success button. If you don't take action, AI becomes just another app. Money back step 5. Use AI to make money. AI masters focus on income skills. You can use AI for content creation, freelancing, script writing, video ideas, resume building, learning coding, starting online businesses, marketing and ads. AI reduces years of learning into months. Someone who uses AI correctly for 1 year can outperform someone who avoids AI for 5 years. Hourglass with flowing sand step 6. Learn faster than everyone else. AI can teach you skills, concepts, languages, tools, business models. You can say, explain this like I'm 12. Give real-life examples. Test me with questions. Now AI becomes your 24/7 personal teacher. No waiting. No expensive courses. No excuses. Step 7. Don't depend on AI. Direct AI. Weak users copy answers. Masters customize answers. You ask AI. Then you improve it. Then you add your personality. Then you execute. AI is your assistant. You are the boss. Globe showing Europe Africa the truth about the future. In the future, there will be 2 types of people. People who say, AI is scary. People who say, AI is my weapon. Fear makes you slow. Skill makes you unstoppable. AI is the biggest opportunity of our generation. bigger than social media, bigger than the internet boom. And the best part? You don't need money to start. You just need curiosity, discipline, and smart questions. Directed final message. Don't try to compete with AI. Partner with AI. Don't ask, what can AI do? Ask, what can I do with AI? Because AI does not replace humans. It upgrades humans who are ready. So from today, decide, will you be an AI user or an AI master? The future belongs to the ones who learn fastest. And today, that power is in your hands.